Hello and welcome to the National Keiki Foundation of Hawaii's Youth Programs. In this webinar, we're going to be talking about shaping healthy individuals for tomorrow, otherwise known as the SHIFT program. In this webinar, you're going to learn about some of the organs in the body, what the kidney is and what it does, what happens when your kidneys get sick, and ways to keep yourself and your kidneys healthy and happy. So let's get started. Let's talk about your body to begin. In your body, you have lots of organs, and an organ is a specific part of your body that has a specific job to do. For example, think about your brain. Your brain is an organ, and its job is thinking. Can you name the different organs in this body? Let's start with the brain. Where is your brain located? Did you find it? In the head? Great job. Your brain runs everything your body does. It's the boss, and it tells the other organs to do their job. Let's do another one. Can you find the heart? Did you locate it right there in the middle of the chest? The heart sends oxygen through the entire body, helping all of your organs run because they need oxygen to do their jobs. Speaking of oxygen, where are the lungs? Did you find both of them on either side of the heart? Great job. Your lungs bring the oxygen into your body so the heart can deliver it to the different organs. Do you know where the stomach is? Right there. The stomach digests all the food you eat. So, when you eat food, it comes in through the mouth, comes down the esophagus, straight down to your stomach, where it can be digested. And the different vitamins and nutrients and other things your body needs can be delivered. In through the same opening, your mouth, is also where the oxygen comes in. It goes down the trachea, another tube inside your body, and delivers that oxygen to both of your lungs. What about the liver? Can you find the liver? It's located right next to the stomach. The liver is the second largest organ in your body, and it's in charge of cleaning all the toxins out of your blood. What do you think the largest organ is? It's the skin. Okay, last question. Where are your kidneys located? Again, we're looking for two. Did you find both of them? Right there in the middle of the body? Great job. Your kidneys are very important. These bean-shaped organs clean all of the blood in your body. And they do some other pretty cool things, which we'll talk about. So let's learn a little bit more about the kidneys. Most people have two kidneys in their body, and it's shaped like a bean. Your kidney is about the size of a fist, and it's located in the middle of your lower back. Do you think you can find your kidneys? Let's try. Make two fists with both of your hands. Now place those fists on your hips. Next, move your hands from your hips towards the back of your body so that there's one fist on either side of your spine in the middle of your lower back. And that is where your kidneys are. Great job. As I said, the kidneys have a really important job to do. They filter out all of the waste in your blood, kind of like two washing machines inside your body. And the waste is removed through urine. So over here, you see our two kidneys, nice and happy. And they take the waste from the blood and send it down these two long tubes. There's one, and there's the second. And all of that waste goes into the bladder right down here. And so when your bladder is full, it's time to go to the restroom and get rid of that waste. And your kidneys have other jobs to do. Your kidneys help keep your blood pressure normal. It's important that your blood doesn't pump too forcefully through your body. That's high blood pressure. And your kidneys help to regulate that or keep it normal. Your kidneys also balance all of the fluids in your body. So all of those organs, you remember? A lot of them are made up of fluids. And it's really important that they have the right amount of fluid. And your kidney helps to balance that. Next, your kidneys produce growth hormones and vitamin D. This is really important to make sure you grow strong and tall and have nice, healthy bones. Wow, that is a lot of work. Your kidneys have a very important job. But sometimes kidney failure or kidney disease can happen. This happens when your kidneys get sick and they cannot do their jobs anymore. This is a big problem in Hawaii, where many people, their kidneys get sick. 1 in 7 people living in Hawaii have chronic kidney disease. And Japanese, Native Hawaiians, and Pacific Islanders are the most at risk for chronic kidney disease. When a kidney fails and can't do its job anymore, there is no cure to make the kidneys all better. So that's a pretty serious problem here in Hawaii, that your kidney can no longer do its job and there's no cure. But there is something you can do to make sure your kidneys stay healthy. And that's to prevent kidney disease. So there are things you can do to help prevent kidney disease, which means that you stop your kidneys from even getting sick in the first place by keeping them healthy and keeping them happy. And here's what you can do. Drink plenty of water. Water is very important to making sure your kidneys do your job and get rid of that waste. We're going to talk in a minute about how much water to drink. Eating healthy. Eating healthy is important for all of your body to make sure all of the jobs get done and you're nice and healthy. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. Exercise regularly. Treat wounds and infections properly. And that means if something happens like an accident and you hurt yourself, it's really important to tell somebody so that they can clean it and get you the right medicine and make sure there aren't any germs that get inside your body. And finally, don't smoke or do drugs. That's really important to staying healthy. Smoking is bad for so many parts of your body, like your lungs and your heart and your liver too. So you can help to keep your kidneys healthy by eating a balanced diet. And if you look at this plate, we're going to talk about it and talk about what it means to eat a nice, balanced diet and follow a healthy diet. So is there anything you notice about this plate? Look at the fruits and vegetables. Half of your plate should be fruits and vegetables. And that means in a day, when you think about all the food you eat for breakfast and lunch and dinner and even snacks, you want about half of that food to be fruits and vegetables. Try to vary your fruits and vegetables. That means eat lots of different kinds. If you have a rainbow on your plate, that means you have all kinds of vitamins that your body needs. Next, choose whole grains. So whole grains are examples like brown rice or whole wheat toast. That's the best kind of grain to give your body. And when eating protein, try to go with lean protein. Examples of lean protein are foods with less fat, like chicken or fish or even tofu. Next, don't forget the dairy up there. Try to go with low-fat dairy, like a skim milk, low-fat cheese, and low-fat yogurt. Or why not even switch it up and try rice milk or soy milk instead? Remember, it's really important to drink water. It helps your kidneys do their job. So how much water is enough? What do you think? How many cups of water does your body need? 1 cup is about 8 ounces, and we need much more water than that. What about 4 cups? Do you think that's enough water? That's about half the amount we need each day. So let's keep going. How about 7 cups? Is that enough? Almost there, not quite. Here we have 8 to 10 cups of water a day. That's the right amount. 8 to 10 cups, or 64 to 80 ounces, is how much water we should all drink in one day. Wow, that's a lot of water. It's also important to exercise and get moving. Exercise is a very important way to stay healthy. Exercise helps your kidneys by making sure your blood pressure stays normal, you're not too stressed, keeps the blood pumping throughout your body, and helps to keep your body weight normal. Plus, it's fun to do. Most children need about 1 hour of physical activity per day. But there's so many ways to be physical, so try doing some of these activities. Go on a hike, ride your bike, plant a garden, learn to surf, try a new dance, play outdoors with your friends, or join a sports team. Plus, there's so many other ideas. What's important is to just get moving. So that's all for today. You guys did a really great job. You learned about your kidneys. You learned that your kidneys are a very important part of your body with a big job to do, like clean all of your blood. You also learned that if you don't take care of your kidneys, they can get sick, and that's called chronic kidney disease. But you can prevent chronic kidney disease. You can keep your kidneys healthy by eating healthy, drinking enough water, and exercising regularly. So great job. You learned a lot. But don't forget to tell your friends and family what you've learned. That way they can keep their kidneys healthy too. Bye.